Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. The gentleman got back to me and I failed to understand, but now I understand. If he takes these two objects and blends them, that's what he gets. Well, that's an age-old problem in Corel. If we look at them with the shape tool, this one has the starting point going down there, and the other one has the starting point going up there. So when you're doing this, take one item and Control D and make a duplicate, and then move it down to whatever step you need. And then when you blend them, they'll be equal. And see, those are a little bit off center. So I just didn't, well, let's just do a circle. Or not a circle, but a square. So let's take these two good ones and let's grab them and blend them. And see, that time it works. And because we're not blending the path, and they're a little bit off, but he can change, that's just this, difference in size. Also, we could maybe blend them just 24 times and they would be more correct. That's pretty perfect right there. And one thing nice about this, you didn't blend, along any path. Now, he's still going to have that half a line that I don't think you want like that. So let's try this. Let's back up here and let's put that there, and let's take our shape tool and grab both those nodes and right click and put break apart, and then you can delete that line. See how that one line stopped that line? And instead of doing that twice, we could just take that one, and now this is original, and while holding down the control button and just put it right there. I'd have to zoom in to make sure I got it right, and I didn't. So we need to put that right there. And if we look with the shape tool, that arrow is going left or to the top left and then bottom right. And we'll just make sure they're the same. And see, they are. So now we can take those two and blend them, and voila, we have that pattern. And then if you didn't watch part 2, you could use this on the other side, or just do it, move that this way and move it that way. I'm glad that got clarified, and I hope that helps him, and thank you for watching.